Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with Vac MD, and today we're going to talk about your Dyson and why it may not be holding a charge, why it may not be running long enough, and reasons that could be. So this in particular is a Dyson V6, but what I'm telling you can go across the V7s, V8s, SV12s, 11s, whatever they are. All the Dyson cordlesses, okay? So first of all, this customer brought in their vacuum and said that it was only running for short periods of time. They just replaced the battery 3 months ago. I believe them because they brought in this battery. This is a generic battery, bad. Now, a lot of times I will tell you it's okay to use generic, but not when it comes to a Dyson cordless. You save a lot of money. These were only like $35 versus $129 for a genuine, but they don't last. Not only do they not last, but sometimes they can actually damage your Dyson vacuum. I don't get it. They're made probably in the same country. Don't understand why myself. They're probably made out of very similar products, but stick with genuine in this case. Another reason why your vacuum may not be holding, your Dyson vacuum may not be holding a charge is because you might be using it on maximum power. Now, if you have a good vacuum, you shouldn't have to use it on maximum power all the time. Think about that. But also, when you're using it on maximum power, you're actually drastically reducing the life of the battery. I had a unit for over 3 or 4 years and I never used it on maximum power. It wasn't very good, but I didn't use it on maximum power and the battery lasted a very long time. As soon as we started using it on maximum power, because we want more power, it wasn't very good, so we needed more power, the battery started to die. When you use it on maximum power and you have a battery that's at the end of its life, you'll probably get like 5 to 30 seconds out of it, if that. And on regular power, you'll get more like 5 to 8 minutes. So if you are not ready to spend $129 yet and don't want to replace the battery, take it off maximum suction and try it out on just regular. Another reason why it may not be working, or it might be pulsing, and this is a huge thing with Dyson, is because of your filter, or it's clogged. Bless you, Bart. Say hey, Bart. He sneezed. So another reason why your vacuum is probably not holding, or it might be pulsing. We were talking about pulsing. Sorry, we were introducing everyone there. A reason why it'll be pulsing is because it's clogged or it needs its filter cleaned. And something that Dyson does not tell you, they do tell you to wash this, but nobody does. You should be washing this, but sometimes dust and dirt gets stuck inside here. And when you get dust and dirt wet and it's stuck inside here, it becomes like cement and you cannot breathe through cement. So you can actually take this apart. Yep, just like that. That is not how you take it apart. And this little piece comes out and you can get inside there. This is a brand new generic filter, also from that customer. And that's why this came apart, which it should not come apart. Stick with genuine filters too for Dyson. Highly suggested to do that. So anyways, you wanna take out this little cage or this skeleton and then clean this out so that the dirt isn't stuck in here either. And that will definitely, and then you can put it back together. But they don't tell you that be careful when you take it apart, but they don't tell you that it comes apart like that. But that will extend the life of your filter as well. And if you have any other questions or if none of this worked, give us a call, send us a text. We're here to help, happy to help whenever you need it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like my video, comment below, tell me how much you love Dyson, say hi to Sarah. She's all the way up by the front door, looking out the front door, and we'll talk to you guys soon.